So what is the first thing we all do when we're thinking about buying a home? Well, we jump online, head to our favorite home search site, and start browsing dream houses, right? Well, don't worry, no judgment here because I'm a licensed real estate agent and I do the same thing. But here's the thing, there's actually something way more important we should be doing first, and that's setting up our financing and getting pre-approved. In this video, I'm going to share 3 big reasons why starting with a pre-approval can make a huge difference in your home buying journey. Let's dive in. So benefit number 1 is it's your blueprint. Think of it this way. You could try to build a house without blueprints, but you'd probably end up paying way more in time, money, and effort. The same goes for buying a home. You need a plan. Here's why having a financial blueprint is absolutely critical. First, it sets your budget. There's no point in looking at $500,000 homes if you're approved for $400,000. Or vice versa, you might actually think you can only afford $400,000 but discover that $500,000 is actually within reach. So imagine how much time you'd save and the heartache you'd avoid by targeting homes in your real price range from the start. Next, it clarifies your down payment. Some loans allow for no down payment while others may require 3 to 5%. A larger down payment could help you avoid those extra mortgage insurance fees. A loan expert can walk you through these options to find out what's best for you. So next, there's the type of mortgage you'll use. This matters because it's included in your offer, and some mortgages have specific requirements about the house's condition or what seller paid concessions you can request or how much. The loan expert will also estimate your closing costs based on your loan type. So knowing these costs up front can help you budget accurately or guide you in negotiating seller concessions to cover some of those expenses. Location is another factor your mortgage choice can impact. Yes, location. Certain programs are only available in specific areas such as USDA loans that offer 0% down payments for homes in rural areas. This could open up unique opportunities depending on where you're looking to buy. And finally, repairs.
Little problem in the kitchen, nothing trivial.
If you're interested in a fixer-upper, remember that some loan types won't work if a house has specific defects like broken windows or missing flooring. Some renovation loan options cover repairs, but that's something to discuss early with your lender so that you know going into it what to expect. All of these factors are key when drafting your offer, which is why working with your real estate agent along with your loan officer early to create a financing strategy is essential. All of that was benefit 1. Let's talk about the second benefit, which is reduced stress.
You look a little stressed.
Oh, I'm stressed.
Starting with financing can be a massive stress reliever. Yes, gathering documents and talking about finances might feel like a lot at first, but once it's done, it's done. Imagine finding your dream home and then scrambling to get pre-approved, worrying someone else will swoop in first. I've seen the stress this can add to the buying experience and the disappointment some people never really get over when they don't get their offer in when they need to.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
Even if you're just casually looking, I recommend getting your financing in place because you never know when that perfect home will appear. That leads us to benefit 3, which it gives you a competitive edge. Getting pre-approved gives you a huge edge in a hot market. It shows sellers you're serious, ready to act, and can even help you avoid delays and potential bidding wars. In a competitive market, speed and readiness can make all the difference. Now, I know some of you might have concerns about setting up financing right now, so let's tackle those. So concern 1 is, it's going to impact my credit score. Yes, applying for a mortgage can temporarily ding your score a little bit, but it usually rebounds within a few months, plus getting pre-approved shows financial responsibility, which could even boost your credit worthiness over time. So concern 2 is, it's going to take a lot of time and effort. Yeah, gathering documents and filling out paperwork might seem tedious, but if you're serious, it's a worthwhile investment for a smoother, faster buying experience. Think of it as investing a little time now to make everything else a little easier later. So at some point, you're going to have to go through the pre-approval stage for your mortgage regardless. So why not do it ahead of time when it provides the most benefit? So lastly, concern 3 is changing circumstances. If you're worried about changing circumstances affecting your pre-approval, know that most lenders do offer flexibility. Just keep them updated. They're there to work with you. So there you have it. Setting up financing before you start house hunting can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. If you're thinking of entering the housing market, take this crucial step first and thank me later. If you'd like a recommendation for an awesome mortgage professional who'll take great care of you, feel free to reach out. I could also help you find an awesome real estate agent, but if you're located in central Indiana where I am, I can probably help you myself. So you can find all my contact info at alanhamson.com.